Hi guys, Mr. Murphy here, recording on your snow day. So, I get to hang out in my wonderful fancy living room right now. Okay, so we're going to take some really quick notes today. We're talking about mixtures. So we've talked about how all of matter is organized. Think about your matters note sheet that you have in your folder right now. Okay, we have atoms, which are our building blocks. We have elements, which are pure, only made up of one type of atoms. Then we have molecules, compounds, and then the last thing is mixture. So you're doing this either Monday or Tuesday. B group, you received a hard copy if you want it on Friday, which is in the future, tomorrow. A group, you perhaps received this hard copy in class on Monday. I also have a digital copy as well. And like I said, guys, this is super short, but we're kind of talking about that last piece of matter and how it's organized in its mixtures. And you guys know what mixtures are, but we're going to kind of get a little bit more specific here, talking about the two types of mixtures. But again, just take the notes. Very simple, very short. If you're doing it online, just submit it when you're finished filling them out. If you did it in class, or if you did a hard copy, just bring them to class. Okay, let's quickly go. Talking about organizing matter, we can cut it into two groups. Pure substances, which are made up of only one type of atom / molecule. I forgot to add that in there. Oops, did I spell that wrong? Yeah, I did. You get the point. And as well as mixtures, which are made up of at least two different types of atoms / molecules. And of course, like I said, guys, you know what mixtures are. But let's talk about the two different types. First type of mixture is something called a heterogeneous mixture. And it's really simple. It's when we can see a mixture and we can see all the components. They're visible. Think about this wonderful thing of chicken noodle soup. I can tell that that's a mixture. There's different things in there. So heterogeneous mixtures, they do not mix together. The particles are not distributed evenly. Examples being like sand and water, oil and water. Look around your room. There's many different heterogeneous mixtures. I'm looking into my kitchen. I see some crushed red pepper. Yeah, I can tell. I look in that and I go, oh, there's some different stuff in there. That's a heterogeneous mixture. I see a bunch of hats and scarves sitting in a bin over there. Guess what? That's a heterogeneous mixture. I can see that there are different things within that mixture. The other type of mixture is something called a homogeneous mixture. A homogeneous mixture is when the components look like one thing. So all mixed in, it looks just like one substance. So I like to think about like liquids, right? Chocolate milk. I love chocolate milk. Guess what? Does it look like one thing? Can you tell it's a bunch of different things mixed together? No, it looks like one thing, so that would be a homogeneous mixture. The particles are evenly distributed. Examples being air, salt water, 10 karat gold, apple juice. Look around the room right now. It's invisible. It's the air in this room. It's a mixture of nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, some other trace gases. It's a mixture of gases. Can you tell it's more than one thing? Well, no, it looks like one thing, right? So it's a homogeneous mixture. Apple juice, we know it's a mixture. It looks like one thing. Homogeneous mixture. So really the big thing, guys, is, and I have the cheat definition on the bottom right of your note, and that's like the go-to. Homogeneous mixtures, they look like one substance. Heterogeneous mixtures, you can clearly tell it's two or more substances mixed together. Now, it's easy to use food, because we love food and drinks, but it's also like invisible things like air, for example. A lot of times, like steel, for example, is a homogeneous mixture of different metals. Steel is not on the periodic table. It's a mixture of things. So it can be liquids, it can be gases, it can be solids as well. So here's what we're going to do now. I would like you to complete the bottom, A through H, on your own right now. So pause me, work on A through H. Which type of mixture is it? And again, refer to my cheat definitions, because I think this is super simple, which is why I wanted to make this quick video for you to watch on Monday or Tuesday when you're doing this. Okay, try A through H on own. Pause me now. Why don't you pause me? Okay. And the answers look like this. Again, when I look at it, I see, Mountain Dew. It looks like one thing, homogeneous. Orange Jello, does it look like one thing, homogeneous. Fruit Loops, does it look like more than one thing? Yeah, I mean, they're all the same, but they're different colors, and they're different bits, and they're broken, and they all look crazy. Guess what? Heterogeneous. Laundry detergent, I guess that one is kind of aged, because now we have like the laundry pods, but I'm thinking old school laundry detergent. It looks like one thing, homogeneous. Pizza, burrito, What a great heterogeneous mixture. Italian dressing, you know, that's the thing where it sits in the fridge for a little bit and you can see it separate. That would be a heterogeneous mixture. And then Gatorade. Man, do I love Gatorade. But does it look like one thing? So guess what? It's a homogeneous mixture. Thank you for watching. Your notes are filled out. Submit them. I'm going to have you watch an Ed puzzle now. See ya.